Being addicted to YouTube is no joke. At the beginning, you watch some random videos, and after some time, you realize you can't think about anything but crawling in front of your computer and all the interesting things you could be watching. The statistics show that every minute of the day, more than 500 hours of video material is uploaded on YouTube. That's 720,000 hours of content per day, which is an insane amount. Excessive use of YouTube can turn into a serious addiction and negatively impact your life. Addiction happens when you need a specific stimulus to feel good or fulfilled. Find other, more positive and healthy alternatives for achieving the satisfaction you seek. How big can the problem be if you're addicted to watching videos, and how can you change it? Watch to the end and find out how to get out of this. Before we talk about how you can be shocked by what a YouTube addiction does to your health, first, this. It's important for yourself to find another hobby. Finding something else to do will make you less likely to think about all those great watchable videos. Think of painting, drawing, or even crafts and arts. These activities can create a positive feeling. Watching videos endlessly doesn't help. By being creative, you distance yourself from the situation that causes your video addiction. Go outside to move. Not only will it improve your physical health, but getting involved in team sports is beneficial for your social, mental, and emotional well-being. Musical creativity can also offer you many benefits. Try to gather people around you who are also interested in music. Social life can help you get rid of the addiction. Instead of watching YouTube videos, record yourself singing or playing an instrument and post the videos online. If you thought this was easy, you haven't heard this yet. It's important to get rid of the addiction by creating internet-free zones, because you have to completely free yourself from the internet, and that includes all gadgets. Leave your phone at home when taking a walk. If you don't leave them at home, the temptation is still very great to watch videos while undertaking outdoor activities. Another tip is to take a book or magazine with you during your lunch if the temptation is too great to watch the videos again. Is this information helpful? Then give the video a like so that more people can watch these tips and use them in their daily lives. What else you can do is to go on a tech-free vacation. There are camps you can go to with the sole purpose of liberating yourself from the need for the internet, networking, and social media. If this seems impossible to you, you can always try this. Block YouTube from your computer and ask a parent or friend to set a password on your computer so you can no longer access the network. If blocking is too much to ask, it's also possible to limit your computer time. Set a personal limit on how much time you can spend behind a screen. In general, it's considered unhealthy to spend more than 4 hours a day in front of the computer. You can even get eye problems, joint problems, headaches, or RSI from this. If you think you can get rid of your addiction by doing other activities, then you haven't heard this yet. You must be able to recognize your problem to deal with your addiction. Accept that you are addicted to watching videos. This is the first step and very crucial in treating the addiction. Do you push away friends or family, those who care about you? Then it's necessary to recognize that alienation. The first behaviors that are displayed in addictions are to allow only people in your environment who make the addictive behavior possible. Although your addiction has nothing to do with narcotics, it still causes a person's health to suffer. So pay close attention to your health. Continue to take good care of yourself and watch your eating habits. Be aware of your excuses and realize when there are consequences for your life. Do you want to know more about how to deal with someone who's addicted? Click on the video in your screen.